Hi everybody, Jackhammer here, and welcome to this steel cage match. It's Jesse Jackhammer versus Wrestling Daze for the WWE title. Nation DDT, the Wrestling Daze. Standing dropkick the Daze. Jesse Jackhammer's escaping. Daze is punching Jesse Jackhammer and he falls down. Oh, what a move by Daze. Reversed. He reversed the springboard cutter. And then a Nation DDT. Oh, Daze went for the DDT but got reversed into a clothesline. Wrestling Daze is punching Jesse Jackhammer. Oh, Jesse Jackhammer now still fighting. He comes down. Oh, elbow to the face to Wrestling Daze. Daze now throws Jesse Jackhammer inside this gate on the cell wall. Oh, people's elbow. Oh, run for the cover back, kicked out by Jesse Jackhammer. Standing drop kick. Jesse, oh, 3 suplexes by Wrestling Daze. Oh, 3 German suplexes. Wrestling Daze picks up Jesse Jackhammer. Oh, Jesse Jackhammer reverses. Now Jesse Jackhammer now going for the people's elbow. Oh, connects with the people's elbow. Jesse Jackhammer now going for the Jackhammer. Is he going to hit it? Is Wrestling Daze going to reverse? No, he doesn't. Jackhammer. Daze is down. Jesse Jackhammer now climbing out. Daze can't stop him now. Jesse Jackhammer's on top of the cage. Wrestling Daze is now getting back on his feet, noticing that Jesse Jackhammer has escaped. He's climbing down the cell wall, on the steel cage wall. Here's your winner, and still Universal Champion, Jesse Jackhammer. Bye for now.